Chick-fil-A. Look at these lines, man. 3-4 lines of service. Where they do this at? They ain't doing nothing like this nowhere else, man. Go this way. Where else they doing this at? Even though. Why is they getting so much business through the week? Why is it always a line? Because I'm finna see right now, as far as I know, you know, the line moves fairly quick, so I don't know. We finna get to the bottom of this, man. We're gonna find out what takes so long and why is everybody rushing to Chick-fil-A though. What's up?
Vlogging right now?
Yeah, I'm doing my thing, bro.
Man.
Yeah, go. You do social media?
Yeah, Sir Christian Dior.
Sir Christian Dior.
I make music, all that. GMG Dez, that's what we on.
The right way, bro.
I appreciate you, man.
Check out the video, man.
Pick it up. I got you, bro.
All right, bet.
All right, be safe, all right.
Yep. Yeah, gonna put a smile on their face, man.
It's boring. It's boring.
Hi, Kaejee. How are you?
How you doing?
Good, thank you.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Consistency is key, man. Consistency is key. What's poppin'? It's Kaejee Go Hard, and I'm back with another video. You already know what y'all about to get, man. Tune in with your boy. It's about to go crazy. We going up every day, and if you ain't like to subscribe, do so now, because it's about to jump. Man, look, even over there in the corner, man, they over there serving people all in their cars. All over there. Everybody over there lined up getting it. Oh, Chick-fil-A, man. Got them out there in their rain gear. Chick-fil-A. Let's get some old spicy chicken sandwiches, man. For me and the missus. You feel me? It's lunchtime. It's time to eat. For real. It's raining. We gotta hurry up and get some service, man. Letting all this water up in my truck. Y'all ain't already gave me a like. Don't like the video and subscribe. What's going on, man? Yeah, we want to do the spicy chicken sandwich.
Spicy sandwich?
Yep.
The meal?
Yeah, we're gonna do 2 of them.
2 meals?
Yep.
Alrighty, and the drinks?
Lemonade.
Both lemonade?
Yep.
Any sauce?
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
My man.
Alrighty. You mind if I get in there?
Kaejee.
Should that be all today?
Yep, that's it.
Alright, man.
And check out my YouTube channel when you're free, man.
I appreciate you, bro.
My man.
Alrighty.
The right way. Yep.
1960, my boy. You doing card or cash?
Let's see. You can take that?
Cash, so we actually gonna send you down there to the thing up there. Alright, you can take your cash up there. You vlogging right now?
Yeah, I'm doing my thing, bro. Yeah, go. You do social media?
Yeah, Sir Christian Dior.
Sir Christian Dior.
I make music, all that. GMG Dez, that's what we on.
The right way, bro.
I appreciate you, man.
Check out the video, man.
Pick it up. I got you, bro.
All right, bet.
All right, be safe, all right.
Yep. Yeah, gonna put a smile on their face, man.
It's boring. It's boring.
Can you get up there and stop the guy in the jacket, okay?
Oh, it's top speed.
Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. Still working. Y'all see it, though. We almost to. I could have paid with card, but I didn't want to be sitting in that rain longer than I had to be. Nah, we finna go and get this cash taken care of, man. We up under the little viaduct right now, so this little water on my arm finna be over with. But I appreciate the warm weather, though. Y'all let me know how it's feeling where y'all at, man. For real. How it's feeling out there. They coming out, though, for Chick-fil-A, though. Rain, sleet, or snow, they coming. every day but Sunday. They might even be here on Sunday looking for some of this though, man. Straight up. Sir Christian Dior, y'all heard him though, man. I would have him normally flash his social media for y'all, but you know, he on the job. We ain't trying to get him in trouble. Here he go though. Him and the rest of the squad out here. Man, we been having fun on YouTube lately, man. I hope y'all been having fun with me though, for real. Man, look at this. It's getting crazy out here, man. No, they ain't stealing cars out here at Chick-fil-A. What was that about, an accident or something? Kaejee. Yeah. Yep. 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 You got a good spot. They ain't got you out there in that rain, man.
There you go. You have a blessed day, okay?
You too, man. Yeah, man. I guess he got the Sierra. He got the rank, man. Gonna slide through. They dining inside too, y'all. Ooh, I fuck. They dining inside. And the meal's still going on, man. Y'all see it. But y'all see service is fairly quick. The line stay long though, man. And like I said, they inside eating too though. So this place, they got a winning recipe. They got a winning recipe. I ain't gonna lie, I don't be having no complaints. Even the spicy chicken sandwich I got, you know, ain't as spicy as some of the other places, but I like the chicken though. So I don't know, we're gonna eat it up. For real, man. It felt good to get us a subscription, you know, and to do some supporting along the way too though. So let's go and get our food and get them an A for effort, because here they go.
Hi, Kaejee. How are you?
How you doing?
Good, thank you.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Okay. We gotta get our own lemonades going on. But yeah, man, great service, great energy. Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
You too. Yep. Let the restaurant sound like that, though. I ain't gonna lie, man. This ain't nothing against McDonald's or nothing, but I was just there. They ain't greet me and treat me like that. You know what I'm saying? They ain't greet and treat me like that. You feel me? And that's why I went to Chick-fil-A, though. But like I said, man, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and share everything that's going on with everybody you know, because this is good energy. Look at this. I ain't even have to check my order because I know how they coming. Y'all know how it be when y'all leave them restaurants and that order be wrong. See, hold on, let me get your drinks. And who got waffle fries? Consistency is key, man. Consistency is key. I ain't playing.